Hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal, Saryanu, and welcome back to my channel. And today, after so long, I am again making the video. So it took me a little while to figure out what I am going to create. So this time I have something new, and we are going to figure out together in this video that how I am gonna work with that and how it's gonna work, how it will look. So we will figure that out together. So that one, if you can see my hair, and these are wet, and I just washed them now. So definitely we are going to do something with the hair. It's gonna be without heat hair curls, okay? So that is without heat. I know there is one way which I just posted video on Instagram, that is like you can braid your hair and that will give you perm kind of look. So that also I like it and I do it more often. But then this one is a new thing which I just saw on Instagram, and it's one of the Instagram influencers, she did that, and she's from England. And so I wanted to try that too, and I was thinking like, why not I just show how it works and does it actually work or not. So yeah, that one is, if I would say, using these things. I am going to do curls by using these things. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna look at the end of the day. Either I'm gonna look like this or I'm gonna look like this with the brown version. Yes. So we'll see how it's gonna work, but these are easily available on Amazon if anybody wants to purchase it after seeing my results. Okay, so I don't know how it's gonna work, so let's just get started. So
this part is, it does have a directions, not written in English. So there are so many directions written, these are all directions but not in English. Great. Great. So, is there anything? No. That's, oh no, there is. So dumb. Okay, how are we gonna use that? So I did the first part, these are your hair, of course. The second one, I have already done the hair wash thing. So I'm gonna start with that. Use this thing. And then it has these kind of sticks. Okay, so we're gonna put those sticks inside, right? That's what it says. Yeah, just, no. Is this broken?
okay, so now we are going to start. So first I have sectioned my hair. I made a bun on the top.
One more. Maybe this much here. Twist. You can put it like that on the top. Oh no. Put it like that on the top. And then it should go in there. And now I'm going in here. Shimmer, shimmer here. What is happening? Something is not right.
Okay, I think this is not working because how I have seen it should be all inside. So that means these are not the right ones. Look at that. I don't know what I did, but I still want to try this. Maybe it will do something, or maybe I'll come back with my neck. Maybe I will try find for long hair, because this is a fail. It didn't work. So let me see what I can find. These are so bad. These are for short hair, I think. Not I think, it is for short hair, but not for long hair. It won't work on long hair. But I want to see if it works like underneath only, so I did those. Anyways, I will purchase the other ones and I'll come back over here same time but another day. Okay guys, I'm back again. So because I tried last time and those rollers didn't work on my hair because I think my hair are too long, so that's why I ordered new ones, and I found these ones, longer ones, on Amazon only, and it was cheaper as well. So we're gonna try these if it's gonna work out, hopefully. Okay, so again, the first step would be I'm gonna just take this curl serum. It's from L'Oreal, so I'm gonna just put it on my damp hair. Just like that, and I'm gonna brush once. Okay guys, I was so quiet when I was doing these two because I wanted to figure it out. This one is still not perfect, but then this one, I think I got it. So now I want to basically show how it works. Is you just put this thing in here and there's a clip in here, so you need to section your hair. So take small sections and then just twist, and then take this clip thing and then put it to basically just go as near as your scalp, and then you just move this part to back and then hold it, hold the other corner and then bring it up. Yay! It's easy. Then you just need to give it a shape, basically, because when you put it, it will lose a shape or something. So yeah, that's how it looks. I think the mistake I did over here, I need to remove this, because this color is for this side, left side, and pink is for the right side. So that was my mistake, and now I got it, and now we are going to speed up the process. So I'm gonna keep them for two hours, most likely for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna remove them. It's pretty easy. When you're removing it, you just need to like pull it, that's all, and then we'll see how it's gonna work. I did miss some hair, so anyways, you can also order, there is a better version of these curlers, because this Amazon version is literally like pretty hard to work with. But then there are good, really good versions of them, and those are most likely like $70 or something. But these were like only for $14. So what else I can expect from them? So yes, it took me 1 hour to figure it out. I think once you figure out the right way to do these, then it's pretty easy. And before otherwise it gets a little complicated and you stuck your hair, you know, it's a chaos. So yes, it will definitely take some time to figure out the right process, and once you do, then that's how it looks like. And this one I used from my last time because I just ran out of pink ones. I don't know how. Yes, because I broke one of them. So one I had spared one from this side, so I used that one. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it for 2 hours at least this time. You can keep it for overnight, but it'll be a little bit difficult to sleep on them, and otherwise 2 hours are enough. You can also blow dry your hair if you would like to, just to be a little bit more quicker, but we'll see after 2 hours how it's gonna look. Okay guys, so this was exactly after 2 hours. You just have to pull them out, those curlers, curl reformers if you say, and then it's coming out good. I think for the first time or the second time, it did its job, and I really liked it. Because it does look a little bit messy, but then you just have to you know, straight little bit from your scalp, and then then your hair overall it will look really good. And the best part is we didn't use too much heat, right? Because I just straightened this scalp a little bit. So yeah, you will see in my next picture, like over here I did this is after using the straightener. So after using the straightener on my scalp, this is how it looks, and a little bit messy, but then I love messy curls. So it's not perfectly perfect, but then it's looking really good and I'm liking it. So yeah, try using it, and especially from Amazon, it's just $14. And what else would you get, right? And then best part is you're not using any kind of heat. So let me know if you have tried, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and sat sri akal sareyan nu. Bye.